Situated in Norfolk is a lovely Cape Cod style house that has your name on it. It would be great home for anyone. The stainless steel appliances were replaced in 2021. HVAC and plumbing from house to the street replaced in 2022. The home has a wood-burning brick front fireplace that is awesome for those cool fall days ahead. The basement has additional storage and a sink. No flood insurance required, but check with your insurance provider as things do change. Schools in square feet. To be verified by agent and buyer.